Hey, it's Brittany Inns, your Houston realtor. So we are here at the Centex community, Forbes Crossing in Houston, Texas, checking out their model home, and I'm excited to show it to you. About a month ago, I did another video. I shot another video in a Centex community about 15 minutes away. And so what I primarily want to tell you about these Centex communities is that they are affordable and that buyers have interest in these communities for that reason. And so I'm super excited to show you this model. I think it's got a lot to offer. If you are new here, I appreciate you stopping by and checking out this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. If you are continuing to take a look at these videos, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Always want to strive to continue providing knowledge and value for you as home buyers. And if I can help in absolutely any way, contact me. And I want to make sure that you have a good experience finding your home here in Houston. So we're checking out the Lincoln plan here in Forbes Crossing. If you're ready, let's go take a look at it.
All right, here we are checking out the two-story Lincoln plan. As you can see, we have hardy plank siding and that stone there on the bottom. 2,032 square feet, 4 bed, 3 baths. There's a large game room and the laundry room on the second floor. On the first floor, there is a bedroom which can be considered a mother-in-law suite possibly. So there's lots of options here. I think you're going to enjoy this plan. Enjoy.